guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel or you've been in this channel before, you're most definitely welcome. So I'm going to show you guys how I created this look. So if you want to learn how I created this look, keep watching. This is Jordana brow / eyeliner 06 dark brown. LA Girl Pro Concealer in Cool Tan. And this is an angle brush, Zaron angle brush. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to set my brow with Sonya delicate finishing powder, light medium. Classic eyeshadow primer. I'm setting the primer with professional mineral eyeshadow. Any brush you see that looks like this that I use is Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. Huda Beauty texture eyeshadow palette. So I've been using it since. So I'm going to go with this color, Cocoa. This is Blessed. Using it in my brow bone. Black Truffle. I'm creating a soft smoky eye. So this is my Nuban Beauty Intense Shadow Palette. I'm going to use this shade here to blend out everything to prevent harsh lines. So I'm going with these two foundations. This one is lighter than my shade. This is darker than me. And this is Fina Makeup Pro Matte Oil Control Foundation, 100% waterproof, SPF 30. What color is this? Is in 078. And this is Josie Maran Vibrancy Argan Oil Foundation Fluid. It's lighter than my shade, so I want to try the two. You can see it's very dark. That looks dark. This is really dark. Ooh. Jesus. What the fuck am I doing? Maybe I didn't mix it well. This actually looks dark. Still LA Gear Concealer in Cool Tan. So this is Huda Beauty Powder Puff. Let me wet it. LA Gear Concealer Dark Cocoa for my contour. I'm going with lipstick, red lipstick. Product doesn't matter. So I'm going to set my face. This is another blender. I didn't wet this one. Zaron Face Definer. I'm going to use this to set my contour. This is Josie Cheek Balm. I'm going to apply that on my cheeks to give it a little glitter, a little shimmer. Bobbi Brown fan brush. So I'm going to dust out the excess and set my whole face with MAC Studio Fix powder NW45. Make It Wow Volume Mascara. I'm going to go over my lips with Zaron EZ02 Clay Pot Lip Liner Pencil. Smoke and Mirror Velvet Lip Gloss. Then I'm going over it with Zaron Sheer Lip Gloss. So. final look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.